Now I'm going to create a desktop client from the Node-RED server. For that, I'm going to use Sense Techniques website. It is for enabling the creating the front end of the IoT server. In the particular website, I'm going to sign in, which I have already signed up. New user can sign up from this particular icon. So I'm going to click the sign in option, which I'm already having an account in this site. So this is the basic interface of the Node-RED service creation. So this is your account detail. Here you will be having the API key and what to enable the paid feature. Now we are going to use the free using only, which will be running for 24 hours. So whatever we are creating at present now, it will be running it for 24 hours. Again, we can create another instant of a particular web page. So this is your work area where we are going to create our own service. So you can slide this window by using this particular tab, and these are the it's a kind of a visual programming kind of thing. You're here, you're no need to go into code a particular thing, you're just going to drag and drop. So all the options to enable for the drag and drop is available in the left side panel. So to check whether the site is correctly working or not, I'm going to give a inject a timestamp and then going to see the message payload. So just you need to click it and just selecting the particular message payload. Certain basic instance, so this button here, you can use it for enabling it and here to check whether it is currently being enabled or not. So this blue icon indicates it is properly working. So whatever the thing we are going to make, whenever we are enabling this, there is a timestamp will be transferred to this message payload and we can see the timestamp in this debug button in the message window. So now I'm going to deploy this schematic. So successfully deployed. So this sees that there is no issue in my thing. So if I'm going to click over this button, whenever there is I'm sending a message, so there will be a output will be created indicating my timestamp. So this is actually the timestamp and you need a certain calculation to check whether this is actually actual time or not. So it depends upon the hours, seconds, minutes. We need to convert this number to know what is the actual time. So now this site is properly working. Now our application of receiving the data from the MQTT topic which we have created in the mobile platform has to be done over now. I'm going to create a MQTT platform here. So there is a broker. That broker is going to send a message to this Node-RED platform. So we need to configure it by message MQTT in. So MQTT in indicates from the mobile, the data will be published to the broker, and the broker is again going to send the data to my Node-RED client. And I have to configure it is working on the particular MQTT connected to the particular MQTT server or not. So this is the actual window, and you can create a server by selecting this. So already I have configured the MQTT flux.io and I have configured the port number and my client ID is blue. So there we have given the client ID as test. So now I'm changing the client ID and the name you can give it whatever the data you have to show over here. My KCT. I'm going to update my server details and then what topic you are going to get it. So I'm going to create a topic name KCT IoT webinar. KCT IoT so that I can easily send a message from the mobile to subscribing this particular topic what I have created in the Node-RED server and click done. This topic is very, very important. So this is the actual topic. So we need to see what the message we are receiving from the mobile. So what we have to do, yes, you are right. We have to create the message payload so that only we can able to see over here what we are receiving from the mobile. So now this indicates the data is currently connected and we have to check over whether the server is connected to this particular site or not. As like our mobile is connected to the particular server, that is a broker. The server in the means here broker. This and the broker is connected to this MQTT in. I have to create a deploy icon. So now it is connected to my Flux server. And this is my mobile window. So you're just selecting it and then you're going to publish a topic. Already we have created a topic in my web desktop client. So what is my topic I have created? Let's see, KCT IoT, KCT IoT, and I'm going to publish a message. Hi viewers. So once the device got connected, you can go to the particular, it is connected to the server and you can just click the topic button, which topic you are going to choose. Here, choose the topic which you have already chosen for the KCT IoT. That is my topic. Here, I'm going to click the KCT IoT topic. What message I'm going to show here? Just to hi viewers. I'm just click the purchase I button and then next moment it will be published in my this front interface. It's just simple. So next message, I just click the publish and it will be published in the my window. So this is actually how it's working. I'm just recalling the things. From the mobile we have created one client. In my desktop I have created another client. From the mobile, it's just publishing the data to the broker. The broker here can be any of the public broker, but the same broker we have to use it for publishing and subscribing. From the mobile, I'm publishing my data. From the desktop, I'm just subscribing to the particular topic of my broker. So here, this is how the MQTT is getting works. So there is an advantage of using the Node-RED platform. Here there are a lot of options are available. So without coding, you can create a visualization for justifying your concept. So I'm going to click the gauge button and I can also want to visualize by chart what is the data that is obtaining from just hide my sidebar. So this arrow indicates it's not connected to any of the and it's not working actually. That is the meaning of the particular thing. So just clicking this, I have to, if you want to configure any of the thing on which page you want to show it, and you just click the properties and then you can configure it. I just created the IoT and I want to display it in the home bar with the width size. I'm just giving a 12 size of width and I'm updating it, and then what are the values it has to show, just given from 0 to 100. 0 to 50. So this is, I'm just, after configuring it will turn to a particular blue. And here also the same thing I'm going to pull because of only one publishing data topic I have connected to the to this. So the same connection. So there is, I just want to view whatever it's coming over there. I just to configure it. I'm going to deploy it. After deploying, I want to view it in a particular site. Here there is an option. So just a link to the site, that is the front UI. So here my UI has been created for my chart, and my gauge. So now in the mobile interface, I'm going to give a number. So let's see, I'm going to give a 51, publish it and see how it's being shown over here. Let's see how it's getting varied. 60, 55. So this is how we can visualize from this platform. The visualization is possible in this particular site. You can use it for your project works.